Please.
What is your intention to fly in F-16?
Sorry?
What is your intention to fly in F-16?
Well, my film Mausam, which obviously Dad is directing and I'm acting in, has me playing an IAF officer, an Indian Air Force officer. And the agenda was to try and experience in whatever way possible what we can and reach as close to experiencing how it would be. If people are going to talk so much, then कैसे है ना? आप लोगों के लिए प्रॉब्लम होगा.
शायद भाई एक बात है कि जो ट्रेनिंग का जो पूरा प्रोसेस है
खत्म कर लो. I will still talk. Let's go one by one. है ना? It will help you all because I'm here for you. So whoever asks a question, I'll finish it and then we can answer.
Okay, sir. Okay, finish.
Yeah? So the idea was to try and gain as much experience as one can, get first-hand knowledge. So Dad was very keen and our producer Sheetal Talwar, Religair, were very keen that I get this experience, and I must thank the Indian Air Force where I visited their base in Pune, and very soon we'll be shooting also at one of the bases which I'm not allowed to talk about, but they've given us permissions, and I'm very thankful to Lockheed Martin for giving us this opportunity to fly in an F-16. I don't think we could have asked for something better. And it was really Dad and how keen he was that I actually feel and experience how it is to be an Air Force pilot, that this has happened. So I'm just really fortunate and lucky that all these people came together to make it happen for me.
शायद एक चीज़ है बहुत जरूरी है कि जो ट्रेनिंग का पूरा प्रोसेस है आपका जो स्टार्टिंग से उसको किस तरीके से आपने एंजॉय करा, कहीं थोड़ी सी मुश्किल आई, जो टेस्ट है मेडिकल टेस्ट होते हैं क्योंकि बहुत आसान नहीं होता ये सब पूरा प्रोसेस.
आई थिंक इस चीज़ को करने का मौका मिलना ही अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी प्रिविलेज है. आई थिंक हिंदुस्तान में मैं पहला एक्टर हूँ जो ये कर रहा है. F-16 पे आई डोंट थिंक एनी एक्टर सैट बिफोर और आई एम नॉट अवेयर. सो इट्स अ वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस अपॉर्चुनिटी और जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स थे मैं बहुत खुश था उनको फुलफिल करने में, बिकॉज ऐसा मौका ज़िंदगी में नहीं मिलता है एंड एज अ सिविलियन तो मिलता ही नहीं है. तो आई थिंक दैट जो भी मुझे करना था दैट वाज समथिंग दैट आई डिड विद टोटल एक्साइटमेंट एंड फॉर्चुनेटली everything came through, all the medical tests came through, all the other preparation has come through, and I've had a lot of help from everybody. And so now very soon I'll be getting up on my F-16 and feeling all cool about life.
शाहिद बचपन से शाहिद कितना मुश्किल था शाहिद ऐसा फैसला लेना
जी.
कई सारी बड़ी हस्तियों ने से मकसद से इसको मना कर दिया. पहले हमें रिपोर्ट पढ़ते हैं कि रिस्क इसमें बहुत बड़ा इन्वॉल्व है
जी.
कितना आसान या कितना मुश्किल था ये फैसला?
जी देखिए, जब फादर कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं तो उसको मना करना कितना मुश्किल होता है आप बताइए. तो डैड को तो मना नहीं कर सकते.
आपको डर नहीं लग रहा है क्योंकि ये जिस तरीके से फाइटर प्लेन है
जी,
डर नहीं आपके दिल में?
आई थिंक डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं एक एंग्जाइटी तो होती है, लेकिन एक्साइटमेंट इतना ज़्यादा है. जैसा मैंने कहा, ये मौका एक ऐसा मौका है जो ज़िंदगी में कभी मिलता नहीं है, तो इसको एक्सपीरियंस करने का एक्साइटमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो आई थिंक डर कहीं छुपा हुआ है, ऊपर जाने के बाद पता चलेगा हाउ आई फील, बट आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड राइट नाउ. Yes.
What exactly has she
I don't know actually. Sonam is shooting in New Zealand and I'm not aware, but if she has, I'm very happy. And she's a huge part of the film Mausam. She is the romantic lead in the film, and we're all missing her here. We wish she could be here, but she's busy shooting. And so just happy that she's wished me, and I'd like to thank her for that. Yeah.
मौसम सिनेमा में क्या F-16 होगा या इंडियन?
हाँ जी.
मौसम सिनेमा में F-16 होगा या?
ये डैड सवाल जो तो जो हिंदुस्तान में इनकॉर्पोरेटेड है वही होगा भाई. I just had about half an hour inside the simulator. I did something that's called the sim sortie, where you do a sortie inside a simulator and get comfortable with the entire atmosphere of being inside a cockpit. I just did that. Now what I'll be doing after I finish this is that. What I'll be doing after we finish is that I'll be somewhere up there. And yes,
fly the actual. Did you do a test flight?
I think the main flight is only a test flight. A
lot of youngsters want to fly.
Yes. Yes.
You have any message for them?
I have the utmost respect for the Indian Air Force, the armed forces. I think being an Indian Air Force pilot is a huge privilege. I think they really are the real heroes of the country, and I'm fortunate I'm getting to play that role. So anybody who wants to fly, whether it is for the Indian Air Force or whether it is for a private airline, I think it's a job which is something to respect, and think as a kid, you always, one of the first things that you want to do is become an Air Force pilot because it's the most, it's one of the coolest professions. And so from both point of views, I think it's something that I always wanted to be an Air Force pilot when I was a kid. Obviously, after that, I realized that I don't really think I'll be very good at it. So then I tried my hand at other things. So yeah, I think flying is something which is beautiful. It gives you a sense of freedom. It gives you a sense of, you feel like you're flying over the world, you own the world. So yeah, it's something that has always excited me.
शायद एक सवाल यहाँ पर है कि जिस तरीके से सचिन एक चला जाते हैं, उन्होंने एयरफोर्स के फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट मतलब बदली दी गई है जी। अब आप भी जुड़ गए हैं एक तरीके से एक फाइटर प्लेन के साथ, तो किस तरीके से संदेश जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि आज एयरफोर्स अपना एडवर्टाइजमेंट निकालने की यंगस्टर सामने आए, प्रोफेशन बहुत बदल गया, बहुत दूसरे प्रोफेशन में जाना चाहते हैं। इस पूरी चीज़ों को लेकर किस तरीके से आप देखते हैं?
नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मैं इसी बारे में बहुत खुश हूँ कि जो मेरी फिल्म मौसम है, जिसमें मैं एयरफोर्स ऑफिसर का रोल प्ले कर रहा हूँ, उसके थ्रू कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लोगों तक, पूरे देश तक ये एक्सपीरियंस पहुंचाने का मौका मिलेगा that what it is like to be an Air Force pilot. कुछ हद तक they will get exposure, they will understand the life of an Air Force. Although the film is a love story.
It's a great initiative. It is yours or company, Lockheed Martin initiative or yours?
It's an initiative of everybody put together. Yaar, you have no idea how difficult it was for us to work this out. So the initiative is to do something exciting and new, to do something that hopefully will inspire a lot of people towards becoming Air Force pilots. And it is a great opportunity for us as well, who are, on this film, where I am playing an Air Force officer, and so I think it's a great integration of everything.
Hardly any aviator movies are made in India. I think this will be an amazing effort to put your part in your time. So hardly any aviator movies are made in India. Will this be a pioneering effort by you and Shahid?
See, to be honest, this is first of all a love story in which Shahid plays an Air Force officer. So Air Force forms a very big part of the film and a very brave part of the film. And in a certain sense, it is reflected in a very positive and in a very highlighted manner in our film, the Indian Air Force. Whatever films have been made earlier, I am not trying to compete with any one of them, nor are we trying to be better or worse than any one of them. We are trying to be honest to the subject that we have, where he plays an Air Force officer. So anything to do with the Air Force, we would want that absolute authenticity is used in the film, so that when the Air Force sees the film, they would be able to own it and say, yes, in Air Force, things like this too.
The duration of the time that you're taking for shooting the film is very long. Generally, films can be made in this amount of time.
Who told you that?
I think 70 days you've already shot and you're shooting 35 more days.
No, we have shot 85 days and we will be shooting another 40 days.
Taking the Hindi film into account, that's quite a number. That's quite a number of days.
Paritun, talk louder, yaar. और जोर से बोल Paritun.
See, you need to understand each subject has its own requirement. If you understand that we have Air Force involved in this, you'll be able to understand the scale of the film. If you understand the scale of the film, if you read the story, you'll be able to get to understand whoever might make this film, it will require that much amount of time to be made. Therefore, there are certain subjects which will be made in 70 or 80 days. There will be certain subjects which will be made in 120, 130 days. There are other subjects which are made in 250 days. There are other subjects which are made in 6 months. So this is one of those subjects which requires about 120 days of shoot, which is why we need to make arrangements for that kind of shoot time for ourselves.
First, let me fly the F-16, yeah. Let's see how I get off. No, I think just this opportunity is awesome, and I'm looking forward to the experience. And yes, they say flying is a very bad habit and it's quite addictive. So maybe I'll try my luck over a couple of times again. But right now I'm really excited to be getting on this one. and more excited because I think somewhere it will help me understand playing my part a little better and actually give me a one-on-one experience of how it is to be inside an aircraft. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.